So here is how to enhance quality with AI. For this video, we will be using nordy.ai. And as you can see, I'm already here in the website. Once you're logged in, this is what your dashboard will look like. From here, you can go over to the search bar on the top and then search for 8K upscale, or you can only search with upscale as well. After that, you will get to see all of these templates from the search results. Choose one from the options. Let's go with this one. After that, all you need to do is click on Run. You will then be brought to a page just like this. You need to click on Upload from the left and choose the image that you want to upscale. After that, just put in your text command and click on Create. It will then start enhancing the quality of your image. And as you can see, it's now done. You can click on Regenerate to give it another shot or click on Download on the right. And that's it. That is how to enhance quality with AI.